Hi, I'm Ian Donovan, MLA for Little Bull Riding. Christmas season gives families and communities an opportunity to gather together, create memories, and celebrate. For Christians, this is a significant day on the calendar and marks the birth of Jesus, and the meaning of joy and hope found in the smallest of places, even in a manger. For many Albertans, it's time to give back to our community. For those people, I wish to be very thankful for and make sure that everyone donates for any of the charities, whether it be time or money or a bit of both, to help out any of the constituents in Little Bull. I'd like to thank everybody this year for all they've done, and I hope that everybody has happy holidays. From my family to yours, have a safe and joyous Christmas.